Hello friends, 2025 Kia Sorento SUV. Hybrid and plug-in hybrid Sorento adopt the updated exterior styling and interior upgrades. The price of 2025 Kia Sorento starts around $34,000 and goes up to $54,000 depending on the trims, options and location. Kia Sorento SUV powered by multiple engines and gearbox options. Sorento SUV powered by a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, which is standard. This engine produced 191 horsepower. In second option, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, which produced 281 horsepower. These both engines paired with 8-speed automatic transmission and a hybrid model uses a 6-speed automatic gearbox option. The eco-friendly Sorento Hybrid features a turbo 1.6-liter 4-cylinder gas engine and an electric motor that work together to generate 227 horsepower. The all-wheel drive Sorento plug-in hybrid features the same engine and the transmission as the lesser hybrid, but in this application, the powertrain makes a combined 261 horsepower and a more powerful electric motor. Kia Sorento X-Pro trims comes only with turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and gets the center locking differential, 17-inch wheels and all terrain tires. If we talk about the interior, the 2025 Kia Sorento SUV interior has an attractive layout, nice material and solid build quality. The dashboard comes with two upright AC vents, ambient lighting is smartly incorporated into the cabin and stitched surface on the door panels and seat inserts provide an upscale appearance. A variety of QB storage spots and cup holder contribute to the Sorrento's family-friendly mission. Along with the standard third row, its second row bench can be swapped for a pair of captain's chair. Infotainment and connectivity. The Kia Sorento SUV comes with infotainment setup that consists of two screens mounted side by side in a curved panoramic display. A 4.3-inch digital instrumental cluster and a separate 12.3-inch infotainment display are standard, but higher ends get a larger 12.3-inch configurable fully digital instrumental cluster. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. Other features include an optional wireless mobile phone charging pad, 12-speaker Bose stereo system, rear seat entertainment system, large panoramic sunroof. Safety and driver assistant features. Kia Sorento comes with these standard safety features, which include standard automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection and cyclist detection, standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assistant, available adaptive cruise control with the lane centering features, fuel economy and real world MPG. The EPA estimates the Kia Sorento return up to 23 mpg in the city and 31 mpg on the highway when equipped with the base 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. The more powerful turbocharged 2.5-liter EPA rating of 20 mpg city and 29 mpg highway. The hybrid Sorento HEV is the most fuel efficient with estimate of 39 mpg city and 35 mpg highway. The plug-in hybrid has a combined rating of 79 mpge. Thanks for watching.